So on a lot of vehicles, especially diesel trucks, when you replace a fuel injector, you often have to code that injector into the vehicle's computer. And what it does, that coding, is it tells that computer how much fuel that injector is going to flow, because every fuel injector is going to flow a different amount of fuel. So on this Ford truck, it's a pretty easy procedure, so let's walk through it. This functional test is inside the engine, so we'll go in there, and then it's under functional tests. And then you see it right there, fuel injector quantity adjustment. So we'll click on that. The ignition's already on, so we'll just hit continue. And it says use the 10-digit code on top of the injector to program the injector. Do not confuse characters, for example, 8 and B, D and 0, when reading off the injectors. So I already wrote down the code on the one that's in there, so we'll hit continue. And it says on the next screen, record the current IQA codes for your record and select the injectors to be programmed. So we'll hit continue. It's going to display, and what displays is going to be all of the codes that are coded to the computer already. And we see there, injector 1, it's all 0, so we need to program that one in. So we'll just hit edit, and we'll program it in. Okay, hit OK when you're done. Do you want to program the new ID? There's the old one, there's the new one. You'll hit yes, program. And once we hit program, and now it says program new ID is successful, we'll hit continue. And there's that new code there. It's all set, all programmed, ready to go.